Hi, I'm Janine.
Hi, I'm Aaron, and we're from the Inovabed sales and marketing team.
Today we're going to show you how easy it is to clean your fabric.
In front of us here are cushions with both of our sofa wall bed fabrics, our gray and our beige.
These are available on our e-store, on our sofa wall bed, available to both residential and commercial properties.
Now with your sofa wall bed in daily use, you're gonna, inevitably accidents will happen.
Whether you have kids, pets, guests come over, rental properties, it's just best to know how to clean this fabric.
And today we're gonna create some of those accidents. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Hey Aaron, it looks like you have some items here.
Janine, I'm happy you brought that up. In front of me here, I've got 6 of just common average household items you might find. We've got coffee, orange juice, wine, some ketchup, mustard, and hot sauce.
Great, let's get started.
Okay, so we just cleaned off all our samples here. We let them sit for about 5 minutes during that whole process. And now we're gonna get into the process of actually cleaning our stains.
So what's recommended is actually just a mild detergent. We're using Dawn dish soap mixed with some water here. And then you just wanna grab maybe like a soft brush. This is a soft toothbrush that we're using, and a scrubby, as well as a dishcloth.
So first step, it's essential to use a water-based cleaner when cleaning fabrics on the sofa wall bed. This will prevent any damage to the fabric and ensure that the sofa's color and texture remain intact. Now during our process of creating our stains, they sat for approximately 5 minutes before being wiped off. However, if you happen to notice a stain on your sofa, it's best to spot clean it. Use the foam only from a water-based cleaning agent such as Dawn dish soap. Now, as you can see, Janine is applying the foam with a soft brush in a circular motion, making sure to cover the stained area entirely. While myself, I used a white dish towel completely soaked in the soapy water, making sure to gently rub the soap in that circular motion, covering the entire stain as well. Now, always rinse promptly with clean water, making sure to remove all the soap and suds from the sofa fabric. If needed, repeat these steps from the beginning until all signs of the stain are removed. Lastly, let the sofa dry completely, and if you want to add an additional step, you can vacuum the fabric to remove any remaining dirt or debris. So Janine, with just a few simple steps, you can keep your sofa wall bed cushions looking and feeling brand new.
Absolutely. And one other feature with our Inovabed sofa wall bed is that the cushions are actually reversible.
If anybody has any more questions or needs any more information, you can always reach us at support@inovabed.com.